common symbol that you're going to see on all the master builds, whether they're mini or full size, is going to be peeling paper. Peeling paper is what we do when we want to form the foam to create curves. Now this could be something on the top of a wing surface, on a fuselage, or even the cells or a canopy. There may be a concern that when you peel the paper you may lose additional instructions, but don't worry about this because the etching that you see for the instructions is going to go through and be just on the top surface of the foam. One thing I would encourage you to do is before you peel the paper, gather up all the pieces from that assembly and peel the pieces of paper together. Whenever you peel the paper, take your time. It's easiest to start from one corner and get an edge and then slowly pull until all the paper is removed. If the paper tears in the middle, don't worry, just simply go back and pull up the paper again and continue to peel until all the paper is removed. For items like wing skins, you may notice that you need to peel the paper, but other areas here that you don't want to do so. You only want to peel the paper from the sections that have the marking. If you have areas over here that are completely closed off by a score cut or a cut, you don't want to peel those papers unless that symbol is on there. For example, on the top wing skin, you're going to want to leave the paper alone from the area where the flaps or the trailing edges. Anytime that you see the peel the paper symbol, unless you see the peel the paper symbol on other sections like the ailerons or flaps, make sure you leave that area alone. So peeling paper is incredibly simple, but also makes these planes look absolutely amazing with your ability to now form your foam. At this point, I'm going to be tossing this over to my friend John. He's going to take all the different steps that we've learned from the very beginning where we're stacking our foam all the way to peeling paper and show you how to make assemblies out of them.